Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to connect your AirPods Pro to iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's have a look. First, in iPhone 13 Pro Max, open Settings app. Then tap Bluetooth. Toggle on Bluetooth. Close Settings app and go back to iPhone home screen. Now, with your AirPods in the charging case, open the charging case and hold it next to your iPhone 13 Pro Max. A setup animation appears on your iPhone home screen. Not your AirPods Pro. AirPods Pro not connected to this iPhone. Tap Connect. Hold button. Press and hold the back button on your AirPods charging case. Keep pressing until you see any changes on your iPhone animated screen. That's it. Your AirPods Pro connected with iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now open Settings app, tap Bluetooth. Tap I button beside your AirPods name. From here you can change AirPods Pro settings like transparency and many more. So these are the steps to connect your AirPods Pro to your iPhone 13 Pro Max. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.